Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a review, swatches and demo on the new Tammi palette. So this is a tropical Twilight palette. This is £20. I bought mine from the Revolution website when it first launched, but it's now on Superdrug and I'm assuming it will be available at the other stockists very shortly if it's not already now. I did like a video on her first collaboration, but I didn't pick up the second one. So it just looks like this. It has a massive mirror, so I'm not going to show you that. So it's a very colourful palette. There are 3 glitters in here. There are only 2 proper shimmers, and now I say proper because it's like this orange one and I'm not sure which one it is of the other one, but the rest are like those bouncy super shock shadow kind of things, and you know, they're not my favourite, gonna be honest, because I find that they crease after like a few hours of wear, but you know, we will still give it a go. There's quite a lot of mattes in here which are pretty cool as well. So usually with the collab palettes they do like have a better formula, so I'm hoping this will be really good. See, I'm really behind on this. I actually received this probably like a week or 2 ago from Revolution's website. I bought it. I'm not saying like I received it as in I was gifted it in PR. No. So I bought it from Revolution's website. Me and my friend did like a joint order because neither of us could get over the shipping and like the shipping cost to get free shipping, because I think it was like £35 and we all both had small orders each. So yeah, I've been sitting on this palette for a little bit. I haven't swatched it anything. I've just watched a few videos just because I've got so many videos to film. So I will link some of those in the description box because I've got so many videos to film and I'm trying to film a little bit more, so definitely check those out. Okay, so I have just primed my eyes with a Revolution cut crease canvas. Like I've used like half of it because I'm using it constantly, and then my eyes look a little bit weird because I've got some of them shadow shields on from Primark. You get like 30 in a pack for £1.50, so I thought like I'd like just, you know, try them out, see if I can get more of a nice line. Okay, so not gonna lie, when I looked at this palette I kind of felt a little bit overwhelmed because there's so much colour going on. Like you could go greens, you could go blues, oranges, you can do a lot of stuff with this palette, and majority of the looks that I have seen with this palette have been quite dark. So playing around like with these shades here, but when I was actually thinking about what I want to do with this, I was like thinking, you know what, I'm going to stick to what I know best, and I'm going to do like, well, not a pinky look, but maybe like a purple and orange kind of look. So the first colour that I'm going to go into is Sunrise, and it's this orange here, and just put that in the crease. Put some orange on there, and I am just going to go into that yellow shade, which is Dust, and just put it a little bit above it. That's the yellow one. So far everything's blending really well. I'm going to go in with that True Love shade and put that in the crease as well. Got like the sunset eyes going on here. We are going to go into this purple now, this darker purple called Twilight, and just put that in the outer corners. Purple is down, and I'm just like, I'm looking in here what I want to put on the lid. So I think I want to put like a lighter shade on. So I'm going to go into this Glow here, which is a very light champagne-y colour. Let's just have a feel of it. Yes, it's such a weird formula. Not that much has actually come off, so I am actually going to go in with my finger because I think these kind of shades work better with that. So I've done one eye, and I don't know, I'm just not a fan of these shades because look, I've put like a massive dent in that, and that's just to get these a normal, like, and that's just to get this like pigment built up as much as it is, and it's not even that intense. So I just don't think I'm a fan of like the kind of putty bouncy formula. I just wish there were shimmers, because the mattes are really good in this, because I've been using all mattes so far and everything's been really pigmented, you know, but we will persevere. Okay, so 2 lids are done. I have just tried to go in with a flat brush as well to see if I can pack it on. It builds up a little bit, but obviously better with your finger, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, so now that I've put some liner on, it actually looks pretty nice, so you know, like I quite like it. So I need a colour that I'm going to put on the lower lash line now. So I was like thinking, right, okay, what colour can I get that goes with this eyes? And do you know what, I think I'm going to stick to one of the neutrals at the top. I think I'm going to go in with this kind of like sienna colour here, which is called Sundown. So what I'm doing in a corner, and the only one lighter than that glow shade is this one here, which is like a white kind of with pink reflex duochrome, and it's in the shade Moonlight. Again, it's one of those like bouncy putty formulas, so we're just gonna see how we get on. So that's the inner corner highlight there, and I don't know if it's because like I went in with my brush quite a bit, but I feel like it's a little bit chunky round here. I don't know how well you can see it, but I think it looks okay in the inner corner. It's not like blinding, but it's definitely done the job. Okay, so I've just popped some lashes on and then back for some final thoughts on this palette. I mean, I love the packaging. Like, it's really nice. It's really sturdy cardboard. It's got a lovely big mirror in the front, and you know, the colours are really nice. I just kind of wish that there were more mattes or like actual shimmers rather than the Super Shock kind of bouncy putty formula, however you want to describe it, because I just don't, it's not my favourite formula. I mean, the colour scheme is absolutely beautiful. These mattes are really good. I really enjoyed using them. Like, you've got 2 rows of mattes and 2 rows of shimmers. Glitter is not my thing at all, so I won't be touching them. I will have another play around with like the bouncy shadows, because I tried the one from You Can Be and Arwen, their cellophane palette, and that was the last video I filmed, so I will link that one in the description box, and their kind of like bouncy shadow was really good. So I will give it another go, because it might be that this one was just a bit of a dud and the other one's different, but I really enjoyed using the mattes from it. I thought they were quite pigmented. I do feel like the collaboration palettes are like better quality, definitely better quality mattes, but I will always prefer Makeup Revolution's mattes over the shimmer formula anyway. So yeah, I think this is an alright palette. It's £20, so if you can buy it like on offer, then that would be good, because like sometimes you can get them on 3 for 2, or when Superdrug like gets a buy one get one free day. They are like few and far between. They've only done 2 so far, but I would definitely recommend it if you can get it on like one of those kind of days. So yeah, it's an alright palette, some hits, some misses, but yeah, that's my opinion. So thanks for watching today. I will leave you in some swatches. I will do like each row at a time, obviously, because I will absolutely make a mess if I try and do any more. So I'll leave you with some swatches, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.